Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in our previous video we would have seen JSON assertion group where we added a JSON assertion of data, $data, which was present in the response. So let me add the response now. So we have the response like this, right? So today in our video guys, we'll see how to see the JSON path. So without any further ado, let us start the video. Once you get the view results tree, you can see the text here. You can add JSON path tester. So if you want the value of last name, right? So let me add one by one. So dollar we have to use dot data. So if you test this, so we'll get the response like this now. So let me add data dot last name. So if I add it like this, so I'll be getting this value. Let me test. So I got this value. So if I want data dot id, so I'll be getting the last value 2. So let me click on test. So 2. What if I want to see the email? So data dot email, so I'll be getting jnet dot weaver. So we got the email also. So let us see the first name. So data dot, so first name, so jnet. So that's it for the video guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care, have a great day, bye bye.